Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to display specific container or column for desktop layout only in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page, and then you see container or column. So this is a container or column. So click on edit container. So we are going to display specific container or column for desktop layout only. On left side you see layout, style, advanced. So click on advanced and then scroll down, you see responsive. So again click on it, and then you see visibility, you see multiple options. So we are going to display on desktop layout only. Now hide on other screen sizes like this. Now you see only display on desktop, and then click on update, and then you see responsive mode. So click on it, and then on top you see different screen sizes. Also you see screen sizes in pixel. For wide screen 2400 pixel and up, and then you see desktop, you see laptop, and laptop screen size is 1366 pixel. If you want to show specific screen sizes, or you can hide or add, so click on this, and then you see site settings. So again click on it, and then scroll down, you see layout. So click on it, again scroll down, you see breakpoints. So again click on it. Now you see active breakpoint, we enable all. So you can remove laptop, widescreen, tablet, landscape. Now you see mobile and tablet option cannot be deleted. So click on update. Now reload. Now settings saved. Close this. Now click on edit container again. So we are in advanced setting, and scroll down, you see responsive, and then you see hide on tablet portrait, hide on mobile, and then you see only display on desktop layout. Now you see responsive mode. So click on it. On top you see desktop, tablet, mobile. So click on mobile. Mobile screen size 767. Now you see container is hide. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.